Hiring a lawyer is a very important decision. I'm always amazed when clients come in that the questions that they don't ask. A lot of clients come in, they've been referred by a friend or they saw an ad or word of mouth. But I still think even if you have a good referral source, there are a lot of critical questions you should ask when hiring a lawyer. The first is ask the lawyer what percentage of his practice is the area that you want to hire him on. For example, if you're hiring a criminal defense lawyer, I think it'd be a good question to ask, what percentage of your practice is criminal defense? Honestly, if that lawyer's answer is anything less than 90%, you probably ought to go to someone who practices exclusively criminal defense. The next question would be, is how many jury trials has the lawyer handled? You would be amazed to know how few jury trials lawyers actually do. Most lawyers, good lawyers like we have lists that we can hand you. I could actually give you, if you ask me to, give you a list of my last 50 jury trials. Matter of fact, I put it on my website. But make certain that you ask your lawyer, how often do you go to trial? When is your last jury trial? How many jury trials have you had in the past 5 years? Ask the lawyer if they've ever tried a case that is similar to the case that you've been arrested for. Ask the lawyer if he's board certified. Florida has a very stringent certification process. It is very difficult for an attorney to become board certified. Less than 5% of all lawyers in Florida are board certified. If the lawyer is board certified, that's a very good sign. That means that lawyer has passed a comprehensive exam on state and federal law. He's had letters of recommendation written by judges. He's had a vetting process through all of his peers. He's had a certain number of jury trials, both felony and misdemeanor. It's a very, very good way to find out if you're in the right office. If the lawyer's not board certified, ask them why they're not board certified. Could they not pass the exam? Do they not have enough experience? Do they not have enough trials? So that's a great question to ask. Ask the lawyer if it is the lawyer himself who you're hiring is the one who's going to handle your case. A lot of times you get into these big firms where you meet with one lawyer but you never see that lawyer again because they pass your case off to some associate. Here at the Byrd Law Firm, there's just myself and my associate Drew, and anytime you hire us, you see just me. So you want to ask the lawyer that. You should also ask the lawyer, have they ever been grieved with the Florida bar? I know that may seem like it's a little bit personal, but that's a question you really ought to ask. I would ask the lawyer, have you had any bar complaints that have been successful against you? Have you ever been suspended by the Florida bar? Are you a member in good standing? And then finally, I would ask the lawyer what associations he's a member of and what legal involvement in the community does he have. For example, is he on the Sarasota County Bar Association? Is he a member of the Florida Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers? What accommodations has he had? Has he ever been recognized in the super lawyers or the best lawyers in America? You can go ahead and ask the lawyer any question that you want. It's not offensive. Matter of fact, most lawyers will be impressed that you did.